Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change the language on the Etsy application. So how to change the language on the Etsy application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Etsy Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Etsy Store app. Next, tap the profile icon in the upper right corner. This will appear. Next, tap the Settings menu. Now, you're in the Settings menu. Next, tap the Select Language menu. Here, you'll see many language options from various countries. Please select one. Tap OK. You can see that you've successfully changed the language. So that's it. The tutorial on how to change the language on the Etsy application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.